Hello friends, in this tutorial we will study about various types of access levels. There are various types of access level like public, private, protected, internal and protected internal. Each access level have special meaning and special use. For example, when we give public variable, then that variable will be accessed from anywhere program. Now we know about inheritance and we have code of previous example of inheritance. So we will utilize that program. We have already seen about public access specifier. If we don't give public access specifier, then we can't use objects or method or variables outside of that class. When we declare any method with private, then it will available to only that class. We can't access outside of class private methods. We can see at a time of accessing using object we found error. Let's see effect of protected specifier. When we declare any member as a protected, we can't access that protected member outside of class, but we can access that protected member to its descended, inherited or derived class. So display parent will be accessed within the child class but not outside of class. And directly without object we can call that method. Here we can't access display parent, so we have commented it. Now let's check it by setting private access specifier. When we set private, this parent.display parent is not accessible. Internal is also one type of modifier or access specifier. When we give internal member will be accessible throughout the program but only to assembly, not outside of assembly. We can see output of this program. Now protected internal is a mix of protected and internal. Remove inheritance feature and see effect of specifier. When we remove inheritance, we can't access display parent method because it is the protected, and we can't access protected member outside of class. We can only access protected member to derived class, so it will generate error. But if we want to access protected outside of class, then we have to create first object, and using that object we can call that method. So we are calling that method using object, and see the output. We have successfully executed the program. This is the figure which show all the summary of our program and explains the various access specifier. Thank you.